Keyboard shortcuts can boost your productivity because your daily job relies heavily on using a computer. They just get the work done quickly, but also improves the efficiency. Give them a try and you just might find yourself getting addicted to keyboard shortcuts. Here's a handy list of the most useful keyboard shortcuts for navigating Windows and Mac computers. Number 1. Create a virtual desktop. Imagine you are opening a couple of windows and doing a project. And suddenly you need to do something more. However, opening other windows may cause the computer to slow and mess up your work. So you need a new clean desktop. Just press the Windows key plus Ctrl plus D. Or on your Mac press Command plus up. And it will switch to new fresh desktop and you are ready to go. Number 2. Switch between virtual desktops. To get the desktop you were using back, press Windows key plus Ctrl or Command key on Mac. You can switch to the next or previous virtual desktops you have made by using the left and right arrow keys. Also you can close it by pressing the Windows key plus Ctrl key plus F4 or on a Mac holding down the Option key and click on X to close them. Number 3. Open File Explorer. File Explorer is used to navigate and manage the drives, folders, and files on your computer. Pressing Windows key plus E opens the File Explorer in your PC. And for Mac users can switch to the Finder by clicking the Finder icon. Number 4. Split screen between two apps. Imagine you are opening two apps and working with both at the same time. Just open one app and press the Windows key plus left arrow. Then open another app and click the Windows key plus right arrow. Now both apps share your screen. Number 5. Lock down your PC. You can lock your computer if you need to go do something else but don't want to shut everything down, like when you log out. Press the Windows key plus L key combination. Or Control plus Command plus Q on a Mac. Just make sure you set up a password first for your computer. And useful keyboard shortcuts to improve your efficiency when using your computer. Hit like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks.